Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Service providers Shitun and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn built-in functions for string in Python, string.lstrip method in Python. Python lstrip method. The string.lstrip method will return a new string with leading characters removed. Leading means at the beginning of the string. Syntax: string.lstrip characters. Parameter: characters. The characters argument is a string specifying the set of characters to be removed. If no argument is passed, the lstrip method will remove the leading whitespace characters if there are any. That means by default, the lstrip method will remove whitespace characters such as space, tab, and new line from the left of a string. To get a better understanding of the method, let's examine some examples of string lstrip method in Python. Example 1. In this example, we assign the string value Python to the variable string. This string contains leading spaces before the word Python. In the following statement, we apply the string lstrip method to this string. The lstrip string method will return a new string without any whitespace characters at the beginning. The return value will be stored in the variable s. Then the print statement print string and print s will print the original string and the new string respectively. The new string Python will be displayed without any leading spaces. If no argument is passed, the lstrip method will remove the leading whitespace characters if there are any. Example 2. In this example, we assign the string value Apple Python to the variable string. In the following statement, we apply the string lstrip method to this string by passing the characters argument a, p, l, and e and store the result in a variable s. Then the print statement print s prints the return value of the lstrip method. The output of this example is Python. Passing lstrip the argument a, p, l, e will tell it to strip occurrences of a, p, l, and e from the beginning of the string. The order of the characters in the string passed to the lstrip does not matter. Lstrip a, p, l, e will do the same thing as lstrip a, e, l, p or lstrip p, l, e, a. The characters a, p, l, e are to be stripped from the string Apple Python. The resultant string we acquire will be Python. The stripping process continues until a different character is found. Here a different character capital P is encountered, so the stripping is stopped. The lstrip method is case sensitive. That means lowercase p and uppercase p are different. The lstrip method will return a new string with leading characters removed. If no argument is passed, the lstrip method will remove the leading whitespace characters if there are any. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was isSpace method in Python. Next video is rstrip method in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.